Model, 65-plate Renault Master Lm35 Business Energy 2.3 DCI starts runs engine noisy. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 220097. Engine, 2298 CCM 90 Energy 135 E5D. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts but runs with a nog. Sounds like the top end is tapping, could be a simple repair for somebody, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is indecent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07